Another capability that Visual Studio has for working with SQL Server that works with Azure SQL databases is the Visual Studio Database Project. And I'm going to try not to get too much up on a soapbox on this one, but this is one of those things that I think is very underutilized in the overall infrastructure and the overall tool set that's available for working with SQL Server. This is something that I have used since before SQL Server 2005. I used to do these in the original versions of Visual Studio.net against SQL Server 2000 databases. It's a fantastic way of maintaining definitions of the objects that are in your database, right? And that's really all a database project is. It's a project that allows you to define scripts that hold the different elements of your database. So I have scripts for tables, scripts for my views, stored procedures, functions, etc. Right? And the really cool thing about this is, because it's a Visual Studio project, that means it's going to tie into whatever your version control software is that you have, whether it's using Git or GitHub or Visual Studio Team Services or Team Foundation, whatever it is you're using. As long as it ties into Visual Studio, you can manage and version control your SQL Server objects with this. Fantastic capability. In addition to that, it also, as you can see here, has the ability to actually publish the database. So I want to go and publish my database. I've got the script. It'll generate the script. I don't have it. It'll generate the script, run the script, deploy my database wherever I want it. So it's a very cool capability. Like I said, I love this capability. Now, if you are running, let's say, the entity framework with a code-first solution, then obviously this isn't going to be a choice for you because you're really going to manage that through your application. But in many cases, you're still running database-first type applications. And if you are, I strongly recommend, if you're not already using this type of architecture, to look at the Visual Studio Database Project. Frankly, that's not an Azure thing. That's simply a database definition and maintenance thing.